PropWire is a relatively new platform in the real estate data space, but it has been gaining attention quickly. It focuses on providing access to off-market property data and lists of motivated sellers. One of PropWire's standout features is that it offers free access to some of this data. This makes it especially appealing to new investors or those working with a limited budget. The platform emphasizes automation, which helps you filter through properties and identify potential deals quickly. You can search for distressed properties, foreclosures, or owners who may be motivated to sell. The ability to refine searches using filters makes it easier to find properties that match your investment criteria. While PropWire does not have as many advanced features as some of its competitors, its simplicity makes it very user-friendly. The interface is clean and easy to navigate, which is great if you are new to using real estate tools. Another benefit is that PropWire is designed to reduce upfront costs. While some premium features or services might require payment, the free access to basic property data is a big advantage. This gives you the flexibility to explore the platform without committing to a subscription. However, because it is a newer platform, some users may find that it does not have the same depth of data or the same level of customization options as other tools on the market. The accuracy and completeness of data can also vary depending on the area you are researching, so it is always a good idea to cross-check information before making investment decisions. Now let's talk about PropStream. PropStream is one of the most established tools for real estate investors and has been trusted in the industry for years. It offers a wide range of features that cater to investors who want in-depth property data and advanced analytics. With PropStream, you can access property records, MLS data, and foreclosure information. Unlike PropWire, which focuses more on accessibility, PropStream provides detailed insights that allow investors to make data-driven decisions. One of its key features is the ability to run comparable property analyses, or comps, which help you accurately estimate property values. This is essential when determining the potential profitability of a deal. PropStream also allows you to track mortgage information, liens, and ownership history, giving you a comprehensive view of any property you are researching. These insights can be particularly useful if you are looking to negotiate deals or assess potential risks before making a purchase. For investors focused on finding distressed properties, PropStream is especially valuable as it has tools to target pre-foreclosures, auctions, and bank-owned properties. Unlike PropWire, PropStream operates on a subscription model. There is a monthly fee to access its features, but many investors find the cost worth it because of the depth of data and the variety of tools available. The pricing may be a concern for those just starting out, but experienced investors often appreciate the ability to access more comprehensive reports and analytics. However, because it is so feature-rich, PropStream can feel overwhelming at first. It has a more complex interface, and there is a learning curve, especially if you are new to real estate investing. Thankfully, it offers tutorials and support to help users get started. Taking the time to learn the platform can pay off in the long run as it allows you to maximize the benefits of its advanced tools.